Are you launching a clothing brand and searching for the perfect hoodie to represent your style and your quality? Look no further. In this video, we're going to be going over the 3 major factors to consider when you're searching for the perfect blank hoodie and the best hoodie blanks and materials on the market, so you can create a product that not only looks great, but feels great too. I'm Ben from BinhHustles, and I've been hustling. Make it make sense, make it make dollars. Let's hustle. Before I get into this video is sponsored by my clothing brand, Push. Push is more than just a brand. It's a symbol of the hustle, the grind, and the determination that it takes to make your dreams a reality. When you wear Push, you're not just wearing clothes, you're wearing a mindset. You're joining a community of like-minded people who believe in the power of pushing yourself to new heights. It's about never giving up on your dreams and pushing yourself to achieve your goals, no matter how hard it may seem. Whether you're trying to start a business, get in shape, learn a new skill, or pursue any other goal, the road to success is never easy. But with the right mindset and determination, anything is possible. So I want to challenge you today to push yourself to new heights, to never give up on your dreams, and to keep pushing forward. And if you need a little extra motivation and inspiration, just remember, Push. We want to motivate and inspire you for the days that you are not. We also understand that not everyone can afford to purchase our products right away. That's why we want to inspire and motivate you to push yourself to achieve financial goals so that you can invest in yourself and your future. I'm not going to give you a discount code. I'm going to give you free valuable knowledge. Remember this, push, because you will only lose if you give up. So without further ado, let's get back to the video. There are a few things you need to establish before choosing the right material and blank hoodies for your clothing brand. The most important is figuring out your brand identity, your target audience, and your marketing strategy. The first thing I want to do is educate you on the basics of blanks. Fabric weight. The weight of the fabric can affect the overall feel and durability of the hoodie. A heavier weight may be more durable and better for cooler weather, while a lighter weight may be more comfortable in warmer weather. Fabric quality. The quality of the cotton fabric can vary based on factors such as the source of the cotton, the way it's processed, and the finish. Higher quality fabrics may be softer, smoother, and more durable, but they may also come with a higher price tag. Fit. The fit of the hoodie can vary depending on the style and brand. You may want to consider offering different fits such as slim, regular, and oversized to appeal to a wider range of customers. Style. Hoodies come in a variety of styles such as pullover, zip-up, and cropped. Consider which styles are popular with your target audience and what will fit with the overall aesthetic of your brand. Color options. You want to choose hoodies that come in a range of colors to offer your customers variety. Make sure the colors are easy to dye if you plan to customize them with your own designs, and consider researching the most common colors customers will buy. Brand and price. Different brands and suppliers may offer hoodies at different price points. Consider your budget and the quality you're looking for when choosing which brand to go with. Sustainability. You may want to choose cotton hoodies that are sustainably produced and eco-friendly, as this can be an important selling point for customers who are concerned about the environment. Look for certifications such as GOTS, Global Organic Textile Standard, or Fair Trade. The Global Organic Textile Standard (GOTS) certification is a comprehensive and internationally recognized standard for the production of organic textiles. It ensures that the entire production process, from the harvesting of raw materials to the labeling of the final product, meets strict environmental and social criteria. GOTS certification covers everything from the use of toxic chemicals to the treatment of workers, and helps to ensure that the textile industry is more sustainable and ethical. Fair Trade certification is a label given to products that meet certain ethical and environmental standards, ensuring that the producers in developing countries receive fair prices for their goods, and that workers are treated fairly and have safe working conditions. This certification also requires that environmental standards are met throughout the production process. By purchasing Fair Trade certified products, consumers can support sustainable development and can promote better trading conditions for marginalized producers and workers in developing countries. Remember to do your research and compare options before making your decision. I highly suggest you to order many samples to test the quality and fit of the hoodies before placing a large order for your hoodies. I cannot stress that enough. Order samples, okay? Because a lot of times people buy in bulk, they can't sell it, and at the end of it, you have 100 hoodies you can't sell. You didn't get the sample, you don't know how it felt, you can't sell it because it's not sellable. You can't sell it because you don't like it. Next, I want to educate you on the different materials and combinations of materials that are used for clothing depending on your aesthetic or needs. Here are the most common and popular materials. Cotton, a popular choice for hoodies due to its softness, breathability, and durability. It's often blended with other fibers such as polyester or spandex to improve its stretch and shape retention. Polyester. This synthetic fiber is known for its strength, durability, and resistance to wrinkles and shrinking. It's often blended with cotton to create a more durable and easy care fabric. Fleece. A soft, warm, and lightweight material that's commonly used for hoodies. It's often made from synthetic fibers like polyester or recycled materials. Wool. A natural fiber that's warm, durable, and moisture wicking. It's often used in combination with other fibers to improve its durability and comfort. Nylon, a strong and lightweight synthetic fiber that's often used for outwear due to its water-resistant and windproof properties. Cashmere, a luxurious and soft natural fiber that's known for its warmth and comfort. It's often used in high-end hoodies but can be expensive. Merino wool, a high-quality wool that's known for its softness, warmth, and moisture-wicking properties. It's often used in high-performance hoodies for outdoor activities. With these materials, you can create a combination to find the perfect fit and feel for your hoodies. Here are some popular and common material combinations. Cotton and polyester blend. This is a popular combination for hoodies because it offers the best of both worlds. Cotton is soft and breathable, while polyester is durable and quick drying. A cotton and polyester blend hoodie is comfortable, durable, and easy to care for. French terry. French terry is a knit fabric that is similar to fleece but lighter in weight. It is made from cotton and has a looped backside that provides a soft and comfortable texture. French terry hoodies are ideal for layering and can be worn year-round. I've felt these myself and they are astoundingly very soft. Wool blend. Hoodies made from a wool blend are warm and cozy, making them perfect for cold weather. The wool provides insulation, while the synthetic fibers add durability and stretch. However, wool blends can be more expensive than other materials. Those are just some of the material combinations, and you can always experiment with different material combinations. That's why I always push you to buy samples. Now that you have knowledge of the different types of materials and material combinations, you want to consider GSM, which is a term used to describe the weight of a hoodie. GSM stands for grams per square meter and refers to the weight of the fabric. When it comes to hoodies, a higher GSM typically means a heavier, more durable fabric. Here are the most common GSM ranges for hoodies. Lightweight, 130 to 250 GSM. Midweight, 250 to 380 GSM. Heavyweight, 38 plus GSM. Lightweight hoodies are typically made from thinner, more breathable fabrics and are ideal for layering or wearing in warmer weather. Midweight hoodies strike a balance between comfort and durability, making them a popular choice for everyday wear. Heavyweight hoodies are thick and warm, making them ideal for cold weather or outdoor activities. When choosing a GSM for your blank hoodies, consider the intended use of the garment and the level of warmth and durability your customers are looking for. When choosing a GSM for your blank hoodies, consider the intended use of the garment and the level of warmth and durability your customers are looking for. Lastly, if you don't plan on sourcing a custom material for your blank hoodies, I do have a list of companies with their best option for blank hoodies. Gildan. Gildan is one of the largest manufacturers of blank apparel and offers a range of hoodie options. Their most popular hoodie is the Gildan Heavy Blend Hoodie, which is made from a cotton and polyester blend. The hoodie is durable, affordable, and comfortable, but it may not be as soft as other options. Hanes. Hanes is another well-known company that offers a variety of hoodie options. Their most popular hoodie is the Hanes EcoSmart Hoodie, which is made from a blend of cotton and recycled polyester. The hoodie is soft, comfortable, and eco-friendly, but it may not be as durable as other options. Independent Trading Co. Independent Trading Co. specializes in premium quality hoodies and offers a range of options for customization. Their most popular hoodie is the Independent Trading Co. SS 4500, which is made from a cotton and polyester blend. The hoodie is soft, comfortable, and durable, but it may be more expensive than other options. Bella Plus Canvas. Bella Plus Canvas is known for their fashion-forward apparel and offers a range of hoodie options. Their most popular hoodie is the Bella Plus Canvas 3719, which is made from a blend of cotton, polyester, and rayon. The hoodie is soft, lightweight, and breathable, but it may be more expensive than other options. American Apparel. American Apparel is a well-known brand that offers a range of hoodie options. Their most popular hoodie is the American Apparel F497, which is made from a blend of cotton and polyester. The hoodie is soft, comfortable, and durable, but it may be more expensive than other options. Overall, the most popular hoodie blanks are made from cotton and polyester blend, which offers a balance of comfort, durability, and affordability. However, there are also options made from other materials such as recycled polyester and rayon, which may offer added benefits such as eco-friendliness and breathability. The pros and cons of each blank hoodie options will depend on the specific materials used and the wearer's preferences. That concludes our video on the best hoodie blanks and materials for your clothing brand. We hope that this information has been helpful in guiding you towards creating a product that not only looks great, but feels great. Remember to establish your brand identity, your target audience, and a marketing strategy before choosing the right material and blank hoodies for your clothing brand. Consider the fabric weight, quality, fit, style, color options, brand, and price, and sustainability when making your decisions. Additionally, we would like to remind you of our sponsors for today's video. Push right there, it's up on my screen. Pushgreatness.com. Go ahead and go check out the Pushgreatness.com, a brand that represents the hustle, the grind, and the determination it takes to make your dreams a reality. While wearing Push, you're not just wearing clothes, you're wearing a mindset and joining a community of like-minded people who believe in the power of pushing yourself to new heights. Keep pushing yourself to achieve your goals and never give up on your dreams. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to do your research and order samples. Order samples before placing a large order for your clothing brand. If you found value in this video, consider subscribing, for I will be making more clothing brand development videos, and push that like button below. I'm Ben from BinhHustles, and I've been hustling. Make it make sense, make it make dollars. I'll see you in the next hustle.
They don't really like it when I step in. They gon' try to top me, but I'm all in. Saying like me better when I'm ballin'. Drop top coupe in a foreign Lamborghini.